Today we're going to beat up your examiner. Come here. Hey guys, welcome again to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. At the back, we got our one-eyed driving examiner. He's going to be marking us. If you make any faults, let me know. Any majors, any minors, anything serious or dangerous, comment below. We're just going to be doing a test route right now, but mainly focusing on the SATNAV. And at the end, we'll do an analysis of the test route. As a fully qualified driving instructor, we sit with our students in the exam, so we get an idea of what the test routes are. We know exactly where the test routes are, and in this video we show you one of them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Gear 1, biting point, 6-point check. There's a pedestrian in front of me, indicate he's gone. Double check the right mirror. Check the SATNAV, going straight at the roundabout. Gear 2. Check my mirrors. Look into the road. Look right. Take the first exit. Okay, I can hear you. Shall I go to gear 3? I could go to gear 3. But I'm just going to delay it slightly. Check your mirrors. Roundabout. I'm checking the SATNAV roundabout. I'm turning right. Check my mirrors. I can see a bike behind me. 300 yards, 290.
After 200 yards,
check my mirrors.
right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
The bike is still behind me. I'm just going to indicate now. Brake, clutch down. I'm in gear 2. Come off the clutch. Look into the road. Indicate again. Look into the road. So I indicated slightly earlier just to let the bike know I'm turning so that he doesn't overtake me while I'm trying to turn, which is perfectly fine. Check all your mirrors again. Check the SATNAV. Go up to gear 3. Look at the speed signs on the floor, 20 miles an hour. Make sure you stay at 20. Check your mirrors. I'm going to find somewhere safe to stop. Check my mirrors, interior left, I see a gap. Indicate. Indicate again, double check the left mirror, brake, clutch goes down. Go up to gear 1 once I stopped. Up to gear 1. Handbrake up. Cancel the indicator, don't forget. Biting point. Then you're going to be asked to move off again. Do your 6-point check. Over your right shoulder, indicate. Double check the right mirror, let's go. Up to gear 2. Look at the SATNAV, turning left at the roundabout in 800 yards. 20 miles an hour road. Up to gear 3. Check my mirrors. Check my mirrors again. Check my mirrors again. Watch your speed as well, as I said. 20 is, might go up to 21, maybe 18, 19, but try to maintain it somehow by scanning at your speedometer, sorry. Check your mirrors. Just braking a little bit for the car in front. Check my left mirror so I can move out the way. Check my right mirror to move back in. Check all your mirrors.
After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout.
So I can hear that, 200 yards. I'm looking at the SATNAV, checking my mirrors. About 100 yards or so. Interior left, indicate. Brake, clutch down, go down to gear 2. First exit, double check the right. It's clear, I'm keep braking a little bit more, it's clear. I'm gonna go. Watch this pedestrian. And once I'm in, check all your mirrors. There's another bike behind me, different bike. He may be able to overtake soon, so be aware he's going to overtake. Looking at the SATNAV for now, 600 yards, I'm turning right. on the roundabout. I'm not sure which exit as of yet. Could be the third, fourth. If it's a 2 exit roundabout, it'll be the second exit. So we'll see as we get there. Check all my mirrors, watching out for that bike. Let me go up to gear 3 now. Okay, let's see where.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the fourth exit.
Fourth exit, it said it for me. Check my mirrors, interior right. Indicator right now.
Go right on the roundabout and take
Brake.
the fourth exit.
Clutch down, go down to gear 2. Keep braking a little bit more, follow the shape of the roundabout. Look right, see no cars, I'm gonna go. Indicators come off, I'm gonna put it back on. Counting the exit, here's the first. Here's the second. Don't forget it's a fourth exit. There's a third. Check my mirrors, interior left, indicator left, slightly move across. And once we're in, still 20 miles an hour. Keep looking at all your mirrors. And up to gear 3. This bike is eager to overtake, so I think he's going to overtake now. Check all your mirrors, look behind you. Okay. Zebra crossing up ahead. Check your mirrors, scan. Look at that lady, is she crossing? It looks like a brake. Go down to gear 2. Gonna roll a little bit, that way I don't have to stop. She's gone and we can go. Go up to gear 3, looking at the SATNAV. Check my interior left, sorry, because I can see arrows on the floor. I'm going to stick to the left lane. Green light, it may turn to red. Check your mirrors. Third exit looks like.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Check my mirrors, interior right, indicate.
Go right on the roundabout.
Brake.
And take the third exit.
Clutch down. Go down to gear 2, keep braking. Now go up to gear 1. Up to gear 2, scan on the right, stick to the inside lane. I'm going to stay gear 2. Count the exits, here's the first. There's a second, now check my mirrors, interior left, indicate. Move across to the far left lane. And we're in. Up to gear 3, check all my mirrors. Cancel the indicator. Look at that SATNAV. 40 miles an hour as well. I'm in gear 4, so I'm going to turn left 3/4 of a mile. Look at this car in front cutting in. Check all my mirrors. So I'm going to just maintain the gap. I'm slightly below 40. I'm not 30, I'm about 35 right now. Up to 38 miles an hour. Okay, just purely because of the car in front of us, I'm just keeping it slightly slower. Check all my mirrors. Look at that SATNAV while I got it quite easy. 800 yards, I'm turning left. Check this car now, check my mirrors, come off the gas slightly. So he's moving back in, pushing us back slightly. Checking my SATNAV as well, 600 yards I'm turning. Check all my mirrors. Look at the speedometer, I'm about 35, going up to 38, 39.
Turn left, midway, then
300 yards, not too far now. Check all my mirrors. 250 yards, getting close. Okay, 170. I'm going to check my mirrors one more time. Interior left, indicate, brake, clutch down, go down to gear 2, and let's turn. Double check the left, get in. Go to gear 1 here, scan again, and let's go. There was a giveaway sign on the floor. Up, actually, yeah, let's go up to gear 2. Check my mirrors, interior right, Let the cyclist go and we'll go. Double check the right and we go. Check all my mirrors. Going straight to the end of the road. 20 miles an hour still. We're just going to finish it there, so I'm going to find somewhere safe to stop. Alright, so that was the end of the SATNAV. Hopefully you guys understood what happened there and got a bit of idea of what the SATNAV's like and what I was looking out for, what hazards approached me, the obstacles I had to face. Let's quickly analyze the SATNAV route. Initially it started off alright. We had one or two little roundabouts, then we had a long stretch of road. Main thing was to maintain the speed, the correct speed. Then we had another medium-sized roundabout, and we couldn't see which exit it was until we got closer. So I was trying to listen out for which exit it was, and the SATNAV did say 4th exit. Then we had a fairly big roundabout. I had to apply my routine on the roundabout. It was controlled by traffic lights, which made it slightly easier. But then as I was driving on the dual carriageway, we had 2 cars cut us in. We had to then adjust the speed for the cars, and unfortunately you just have to deal with situations where people cut you in. And in our cases, by slowing down, holding back. As well as dealing with those cars, we had to figure out where we were going, because it was saying turn left, but because the road was going uphill, I couldn't see where the road was. As I got over to the tip of the hill of the road, there was literally a road on the left, but almost hidden away. It was possible that I missed the road, and if that was to happen, I'd quickly cancel the indicator, carry on driving straight, and apologize to the examiner. And then as soon as we turned into the road, there was actually a little give way sign. And look, you're driving on a dual carriageway, quite fast speed, and then you're turning left, and suddenly there's a give way sign. You have to be able to see that. Of course, the more you drive, the more quicker you'll be with your decision making skills, the more experience you gain, as well as driving on test routes, so you'll be familiarized with some of the difficult routes. So watching that video, it may seem, I don't know, from your point of view, quite simple. I'm not sure how you're thinking about watching the video, but it was actually a fairly difficult route. We had to deal with quite a few situations. We had to deal with a road that we may have missed. We had to deal with 3rd exit roundabouts, 4th exit roundabouts. So it's not as easy as it looks. While you're driving practically, it was actually a lot more to do. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you got a test coming up, or you're planning to do some driving lessons, or you're thinking of doing a driving test, do watch our other videos. I hope they're helpful for you. They'll give you an idea how to drive, how to do your driving test, and give you some tips on passing your driving test. Don't forget to like, share it, and subscribe. It's just a button on the corner on your screen, so click it, and thank you for watching.